In real estate, first impressions matter. You just secured the desired purchase price for your home with a buyer and you are in contract. Now, the buyer's lender needs to determine if your property is worth that price. Typically, this is done by an appraisal. What are some tips you can do to maximize your home's value before an appraisal? Hi, I am Danielle Edney of Danielle Edney Homes and Chase Sky Realty Group. First off, it is important to know what an appraisal is and how it can make or break a sale. An appraisal is a report ordered by a buyer's lender to determine the value of a property based on its characteristics and neighboring comparables. The lender wants to ensure the property is worth the amount the buyer is financing. The appraisal is usually a contingency that is put in place by the buyer to acquire their financing from a mortgage lender. So, what are some tips you can do to enhance your home's value before an appraiser assesses your property? Number one rule of thumb, first impressions matter and you want to showcase your property at its best from the exterior to the interior. First off is curb appeal. Curb appeal is your first chance to make the first impression with the appraiser. You can enhance your property by laying mulch, planting fresh flowers, mowing your lawn and trimming overgrown bushes. You may even want to touch up some exterior paint or power wash. After working on the exterior, you want to make sure your interior is just as appealing because an appraiser is going to look at measurements, upgrades, and overall condition of the home and not necessarily worry about the lived-in look. It is a best practice to make their job more accessible. Having a bright and clean home will help the appraiser get a better idea of the home's condition. Important rooms to declutter are bedrooms, bathroom, and kitchen. Maybe you need to make some minor repairs. Although an appraiser is not going to do a complete home inspection, they are going to make sure smoke detectors are installed, water heaters are braced, and appliances are working properly. They will look at the overall maintenance of the property, so be on the lookout for leaks or visible electrical issues. Finally, they are going to look at the neighborhood comparables. They are going to evaluate what homes have sold recently compared to your characteristics to determine the final value. Bottom line, the appraisal doesn't have to be worrisome if your home is ready and worth the price. If you would like more information of recently sold comparables in your neighborhood, reach out to my team and I so we can prepare a free home valuation report for you. I am Danielle Edney of Danielle Edney Homes and Chase Sky Realty Group, giving you your perfect home made in LA.